So I step outside today to get on the bikes and start heading over to Jared Weems' house, and I look out and I look at my bikes and I take a quicker, closer look at them, and apparently all the trees around me just decided to just bukkake all over all of my motorcycles. Just pollen and whatever everywhere. It's gross. Good enough for now. It's Florida. It'll rain later. Welcome, folks. Flipknot here, heading over to Weems Motor Co. My Uncle Weems' house. We're gonna go hang out with him. Our buddy Todd from Hart Huntington Tattoos out of Orlando, Florida. He's coming all the way over here to hang out with us. We're gonna have some tacos. We're gonna ride some motorcycles. Possibly drink some whiskey. Probably drink some whiskey. And Auntie Weems is gonna hang out with us today as well, which is kind of rad. Bree, Jared's wife, she doesn't usually come out and hang out with us. She's usually very busy. Supposedly she's coming out, so that should be a lot of fun. Hopefully a little bit later, I really hope I spend some time with Shelby. Yesterday was his birthday, so make sure you go on Instagram, Shelby.Daytona, and tell him happy birthday from all of us to him. I'm gonna go pick out a bottle of whiskey for him, and then hopefully, just hopefully, we have enough time to go back to Brapstar Garage and really give the Franken 48 a good look over from a professional mechanic to see the work that I've done and how to fix the things that I did not do right. Because God knows I didn't do it all right. Ironically enough, the only thing I'm pretty sure I did completely correct was replace the stator. That has a lot to do with the fact that Shelby came over and actually walked me through it before I actually did any of it, and the fact that I haven't had any check engine lights and it's been recharging itself. I think that's pretty much done and said so, or whatever. But whatever. Today is just a general average day because, and thank God it's just a normal day for once, because the next 15 to 16 days are gonna be go. Today's Thursday, which means I have Friday and Saturday to edit this video, and then Sunday we're heading over to freaking Daytona Bike Week. I'll put up what show Jared's gonna be doing there. So Sunday we're heading over to Daytona for Daytona Bike Week. We're coming back that same day Sunday, and then we're going back, and then we're spending Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in Daytona for Bike Week, where Friday we're then shooting up St. Augustine for the Alleyway Customs bike show that they're having up there, and then I get to come back down here, to which I believe it's either the 15th or the 16th. Shade Tree Surgeon, my good buddy Josh, we're going to do a long telethon on YouTube, be a long live stream. We're going to do as much as we can to raise some extra money for the Forgotten Angels charity, to which, the end of that week, the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st, we're going to be camping out on the Forgotten Angels compound for the raffle drawing of that gorgeous, one-of-a-kind custom motorcycle that Jared Weems built from a David Mann poster. Is going to go to, no, me. Sorry, guys. The raffle's gonna say Flip now. That's all it is. We all know this. We're not discussing it anymore. I feel like we've done this enough. Just accept the fact and the truth of the situation. That's what it is, guys. But as soon as that raffle is over, you think that we have time to take a breath, but we don't, because as soon as that's over, there's gonna be another major announcement that's going on with the Brapstar family that you guys just don't want to miss. So really, guys, make sure you follow us on all social media between myself, Shade Tree Surgeon, Shay Lisi, and the rest of the Brapstar idiots that we have between Kyle, Dynapro, Weems. We are all so excited about what's coming up for the next chapter in this weird, crazy, zany idea of a thing that Josh has built from the ground up to be this bigger thing than just a one man with a camera. So make sure you stay tuned to that. I'll see you at Jared's house. Oh, you know how to turn on the bike? Let's do this. Just kick it. Just go for it. Just do it. Just play with it. Okay, Jared. See this? I'm never gonna ride this motorcycle with a hat or anything on. It's always gotta be open hair. Open hair. waiting for Jared to get back. I already kicked it once in the garage and needed to move it out here to turn it off. And now it's mad at me.
Yeah, that's properly fine.
Well, it started already. That's the blue thing.
Been kicking the crap out of it, huh?
A few times.
Tired.
I'm not a kicker. I no longer feel bad still. So for the longest time, I've typically always had a raccoon tail on my keychain. Haven't in a long time, and none of you have seen it. I found it one day and I put it on, and it literally flew off my keychain that day. So Jared is gonna give me a grommet to put there so I can put a key ring so it doesn't really rip anymore. Because what happened, it would just rip right there and just fly off. It feels really cool to feel like Mario 3 on a motorcycle. It's just kind of one of those things that I've been doing for a decade.
It's a me, Mario.
Yeah. So at Chopper Town, I found a coontail, so I need to put it on my keychain again. Don't hit yourself.
Ow, my finger! Take this and run it through. And then smack the top a couple times.
Sweet. Thanks, Jared.
You actually run one of these or one of these.
One of these.
Uncle Jared to the rescue again.
Thanks, Uncle Jared. Hello, and welcome to Williams Motor Co., where we just leave our custom motorcycles in the middle of the street.
That's not a bad thing to pull up on.
I know, it's just, I was in this freaking office, I'm like, you just left it in the middle of the street. Weird.
That looks great.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Still find it absolutely amazing at how much a motorcycle is put together with zip tie. You get under something in the motorcycle, it's like, oh, zip ties.
And it works.
I know, it's scary.
It works.
Little pro tip for everybody out there. If you want a mechanic to do something for you, tell them not to worry about it.
Yeah.
You're like, nah, dude, it's good. Don't worry about it.
And then here comes the tools.
You leading the way, Flipper?
Oh, god damn it, I got a lead.
I don't know where this
Yeah,
place
you
is.
do.
I mean, I can put it in my Google machine.
Yeah, La Fiesta. One day. One day. So did I pull away or did you back off?
I backed off.
Okay.
Because I was trying to get to the point where your bike shut off, so.
Oh, yeah, no.
Well, I figured with Harley...
No, it stopped. When we went to Lake Okeechobee?
We did it. We found it.
Yeah. Josh also found out how fast the Bonneville will go.
Wow, I didn't.
Remember when you were riding the Road King? That's when he found out.
Oh, that's when he found
I said Auntie Weems was coming today and she's paying for dinner today. Because Jared doesn't pay for stuff.
No.
Because
I work.
Bree works.
No, I don't pay for stuff. I just give motorcycles away.
Alright, so they grab an avocado and then they take it to the kitchen and they make guacamole from scratch. So let's see what Bree thinks about the guacamole.
At the event up in St. Augustine, so with Cycle Source magazine, like that's where you need to be.
It's amazing.
It's like,
Great.
You can take top
like,
brush
you
it.
did one of my shirts, and she did a couple of my
good.
shirts.
I got it. I don't
good.
care. Lay down.
It's all good. I'll take the rest. Nope.
All right, we're up at Brapstar. I haven't been here in almost 3 months at this point. First of all, happy birthday, sir.
Hatties. Oh shit. Feel fancy now.
Okay,
Thanks, buddy.
I was looking for Powers. I refuse to give you Jameson or Tully. So
Awesome.
there's some different good Irish whiskey. So happy birthday. All right, so I know how much you guys miss this motorcycle, but here it is, and we're gonna have Shelby look at it where I'll feel safer riding it more often. That's why I haven't really been on it that much. Problems being is the rear brake, it will engage, but it will engage really late.
Mush.
Yeah, the clutch is super like, there's no friction zone. It's on or off. It needs to be adjusted.
What?
Oh yeah, there's a def wobble at higher speeds.
Okay.
So we need to check if the bearings need to be tightened or loosened.
Or replaced.
They're brand new. I just replaced them.
It's not to say they can't go bad sometimes.
Probably got less than 100 miles on them. But whatever, you're the expert. You tell me. That's why I'm here. That's why you're here.
I know. I will.
So
Give her some love.
brakes, clutch, and bearings. Wobbles. The wobble only started after I loosened it or tightened it. I think I pulled it up, kind of played with it a little bit,
Yeah.
and then I had tightened it down a smidge. That's when I felt wobble. I didn't feel wobble before,
So why'd you mess with it?
because I'm an idiot.
Hey, you're just following the same policy the U.S. government does. If it ain't broke, fix it till it is.
Thank you. Somebody who gets me, guys. Okay, so first conclusions, we got to rebuild the master cylinder to the rear brake. Second fix was the clutch. It should be better now that we took both clips off and just left the one. Should be better.
Slack.
And then there's just the def wobble. All right, Shelby.
Well, the steering stem is definitely loose. You can feel it in the bars when you go over bumps.
That's why I try to tighten it a little bit.
Yeah. Need to redo the entire procedure.
Really?
Yes.
They got to come out or just tighten
No,
down?
It's just got to be completely loosened and then retightened
Okay.
in the proper procedure.
Okay.
Rear brakes are still working fine at the moment.
They're working fine, but like,
I still think you need to rebuild the master.
okay.
And I think we need to check the spring plate and the clutch. It did squeal on me when I first went to leave. I went to let the clutch out, and it was a little abrupt, but I heard a distinct squeal out of the
Okay.
clutch. Remember that
'Cause
metal
it-
spring plate that's in the middle of every clutch pack on the Sportsters? I know Brian has showed you this. I've showed
Probably.
you. Yeah, we need to check that. Wah, wah, wah.
Well, it seems like we have a project for the very near future, and
Yeah, I'll be here.
I got somebody to watch over me this time. Overall, considering how it looked like and what I've done to it,
It's great.
yeah.
Until it tries to kill you.
Happy birthday, Shelby.
Thank you, buddy. Salud. Still managed to catch my glasses. God damn, that is good.
It's got a bite. I like that.
Yeah, it's got a nice bite.
Is it still hot? No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Sorry. I tried. I'm trying to be accommodating.
I need a welding glove.
Do we have one around here?
Hey! When the
You
coffee's
fixed
good.
one problem, but the next problem is now you're gonna put that in your mouth.
Let's not talk about that.
So we're not talking about that.
I mean, we can talk about it.
So while we're sitting there having a good old chat over at La Fiesta, Todd had such a good laugh that the toothpick in his mouth went down his throat,
Yeah, that was fun.
and we haven't found it yet. The good news is it was half a toothpick.
Yes. I mean, when I find it, I'll share it with you.
Please do, and I'll share it with you. Well, guys, both you and I have something to look forward to when it comes to the 48. I have help now, finally. It's been a long day. I'm gonna drink a little bit more whiskey, and I'm gonna go home to my puppy. Because I have a very, very long next 19 days ahead of me.
Wow.
21 days.
Up there.
Daytona, telethon, camp out.
We busy.
We busy. So this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. You all know how this works. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. As always, catch you on the flip side.